the journey of maths with Sarah, a true lover of maths. Today I am going to explain you the topic domain and range of real functions. This is a topic of relations and functions. It is common for class 11, 12, IIT JEE exams too. First we will explain what is domain of a real function. First thing, what is a real function? Real function is a function whose domain and codomain is a subset of real numbers. Domain and codomain are subset of real numbers. Okay? Now, what is the meaning of domain of a function? Domain means input. Domain means input. Okay? Input means x value. Input means x value. What are the x values possible? Or those values of x for which f of x is real. F of x is real or defined. Domain is nothing but those values of x for which f of x is real. Then, what are the possible values of x? In order to find the domain of a function, you have to keep in mind 3 points. What are the 3 points? First point, if it is a rational function, then denominator not equal to 0 will give the domain. Denominator not equal to 0 will give the domain. I will explain it with examples. First of all, understand the 3 points. Point number 2. If it is a square root function, of the form f of x is equal to square root of some expression, f of x is equal to square root of some expression, then expression greater than or equal to 0 will give the domain. Expression greater than or equal to 0 will give the domain. If it is a square root function of the form f of x is equal to 1 by root over some expression, if it is a square root function of the form f of x is equal to 1 by root over some expression, then expression greater than 0 will give the domain. Not greater than or equal to. If it is equal to, f of x becomes not defined. Then, if f of x is of the form 1 by root over some expression, then expression greater than 0 will give the domain. Once again, if it is a rational function, denominator not equal to 0 will give the domain. If it is a square root function of the form f of x is equal to root over some expression, then expression greater than or equal to 0 will give the domain. Last one, if it is a square root function of the form f of x is equal to 1 by root over some expression, then expression greater than 0 will give the domain of real function. Now I am going to explain it with the help of an example. Now let us discuss some questions. Okay, first question, find the domain of f of x is equal to x plus 1. Find the domain of f of x is equal to x plus 1. It is a real function. Means domain and range are subset of real numbers. What is the meaning of domain? Those values of x for which the function is defined or function is real. If we put any value to x, f of x is real, isn't it? If we put x as root 2, f of x is equal to root 2 plus 1. If we put x as minus 1.2, f of x is equal to minus 1.2 plus 1, that is minus 0.2, and so on. All these are real numbers. If we put any value to x, f of x is real. So what is the domain of f of x? F of x is defined for all values of x. F of x is defined for all values of x. So domain of is nothing but set of real numbers. So domain of f of x is nothing but set of real numbers. Now consider example 2. F of x is equal to 1 by x plus 1. F of x is equal to 1 by x plus 1. Here also f of x is defined for all values of x except minus 1. If we put x plus 1 as 0, x is equal to minus 1. If we put x is equal to minus 1 here, if we put x is equal to minus 1 here, f of x becomes 1 by 0, that is equal to infinity. For all other values of x, f of x is real or f of x is defined. Only the value for which f of x is not defined is x is equal to minus 1. So, what is the domain of the function? Domain of f of x here is set of real numbers minus 1. Set of real numbers minus 1. Why minus 1? Because at minus 1 f of x becomes infinity or not defined. So, we have to remove those values of x for which the function is not defined. Clear? Let us do some more questions. Now consider the function f of x is equal to 2x upon x square minus 4. 2x upon x square minus 4. We have to write the domain of the function. We have to write the domain of the function. Domain means the values of x for which f of x is defined. If we put any value to x, it becomes defined except where x is equal to plus 2 and minus 2. Means for a rational function, denominator should not be equal to 0. If denominator is equal to 0, it becomes not defined. Okay, so x square minus 4 cannot be equal to 0. This is of the form a square minus b square. So x minus 2 into x plus 2 cannot be equal to 0, or x cannot be equal to minus 2 or plus 2. X cannot be equal to minus 2 or plus 2. Except minus 2 and plus 2, f of x is defined. So what is the domain? Therefore, domain of this function is nothing but set of real numbers minus 2 and plus 2. Because of minus 2 and plus 2 function is not defined, we have to remove minus 2 and plus 2 from the set of real numbers. Okay? Let us consider one more function. F of x is equal to 2x minus 2 upon x square minus 3x plus 2. Again, it is a rational function. Since it is a rational function, denominator cannot be equal to 0. So, put x square minus 3x plus 2 cannot be equal to 0. That gives the domain. That means on factorizing this, we will get x minus 2 into x minus 1 cannot be equal to 0, or x cannot be equal to 2 or 1. At 2 and 1, f of x is not defined. So what is the domain? What is the domain? X cannot be equal to 2 or 1. Then what are the possible values of x? Possible values of x is r minus 1, 2. Except 1 and 2, f of x is defined or f of x is real. So the domain of f of x is nothing but r minus 1, 2. Very simple. If it is a rational function, put the denominator not equal to 0. So the values of x cannot be 2 and 1, not equal to cannot be 2 and 1. So the possible value of x is r minus 1, 2. Why r minus? Because if it is a real function, the domain is a subset of real numbers. Okay? Now let us consider some square root function. First question, f of x is equal to root over x minus 1. We have to find the domain of the function. Now, what happens to f of x if x minus 1 is less than 0? Means x minus 1 is negative. Then f of x is negative square root, or it is not real. It is not real. what happens to f of x if x minus 1 is less than 0? If x minus 1 is less than 0, then f of x is root over a negative quantity. That means which is f of x is not real. That means f of x is not real. What is the meaning of domain? Those values of x for which f of x is real. F of x is real. If x minus 1 is less than 0, then f of x is not real. Then what is the condition? Write the expression greater than or equal to 0. So we can write x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0 or x greater than or equal to 1. That means what is the domain of the function? Domain of the function is nothing but 1 to infinity, greater than or equal to 1. In number line, if this is 1, this is minus infinity and plus infinity, values of x greater than 1, greater than or equal to 1 means 1 to infinity. Since it is greater than or equal to 1, 1 is including. The way of writing it is close to interval 1 to infinity. Now look at the next question. Again it is a square root function, but square root is in the denominator. Okay. What happens to the function if x minus 1 is less than 0? If x minus 1 is less than 0, again f of x is root over a negative quantity which is not real. Which is not real. Again, what happens to the function if x minus 1 is equal to 0? Then f of x becomes infinity. Then f of x becomes infinity. We have to avoid these two conditions. So, how to get the domain? Write the expression inside the square root as greater than 0. Means what is the domain here? X minus 1 greater than 0. That means x greater than 1 or domain of the function is nothing but open interval 1 to infinity. These two cases not possible. That's why we are writing the domain as square root of the expression greater than 0. If it is less than 0, f of x is not real. If it is equal to 0, f of x becomes infinity, not defined. We have to avoid these two conditions. So what is the required condition? Required condition is write the expression inside the square root greater than 0 if it is a square root function of this form. If it is a square root function of this form, write the expression inside the square root greater than or equal to 0. Okay? Hope it is clear to you. Let us discuss two more examples. Find the domain of the function f of x is equal to root over x plus 4. It comes under which category? It comes under which category? F of x is equal to root over some expression. So how to find its domain? X plus 4 greater than or equal to 0. Why greater than or equal to 0? If x plus 4 is less than 0, then f of x is equal to square root of negative quantity which is not real. We have to avoid this. That's why we are writing domain is nothing but x plus 4 greater than or equal to 0. That means x greater than or equal to minus 4. That means what is the domain of the function? Domain is nothing but, since it is greater than or equal to including minus 4, so it is minus 4 to infinity. Now look at this question. Same question, but the square root is in the denominator. F of x is equal to 1 by root over x plus 4. Here also, if x plus 4 is less than 0, if x plus 4 is less than 0, f of x is not real. F of x is not real, and x plus 4 is equal to 0, then f of x is equal to infinity. F of x is equal to infinity. We have to avoid these two conditions. So what is the required condition? Required condition is expression greater than 0. That means domain is nothing but x plus 4 greater than 0, not equal to. If it is equal to, it becomes infinity. F of x becomes not defined. Okay, that means x greater than minus 4. Here 4 is not included. So domain is equal to open interval minus 4 to infinity. Hope I have explained till now is clear to you. I will be back with more videos. Till then, bye.